So if you use Android, you may have heard of a feature called Nearby Share. But have you actually used it? Or do you even know what it is? Nearby Share is the Google version of AirDrop. You can even share files between your own devices, including Android, Chrome OS, and Windows. Wait, did I just say Windows? Hey guys, Sarmad here. Did you know Nearby Share from Google is also available on Windows? And I'll show you how to install it. Before we continue, make sure to like and subscribe, or follow if you're on Facebook. What you need is a 64-bit device running Windows 10 or Windows 11, and you're going to need to go to this page and hit Get Started. Now open bettertogethersetup.exe once it's downloaded, of course, and click Yes, and let the app install. After a few minutes, go to Start, Search, Nearby Share, open Nearby Share from Google, and I would advise to sign into the app if you want to. You can now easily share files between your Windows device, your phone or tablet, and Chromebook. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, or follow if you're on Facebook. Comment below and share the video to other people interested.